Hi, I'm Johanna Lee, and here's what Ctrl+K does in Excel. It opens up the hyperlink box so you're able to link between websites, tabs, other files that you have. And so I find it really helpful when I'm making a table of contents for a very long workbook. I'll say I want to link to a place in the document, and maybe it's going to be this pivot table tab. So I'll click OK. It'll keep the same text to display unless you change it here. And so just something to note that will be the case if your cell already has data in it. But if you go to where the cell doesn't have data in it and you hit Ctrl+K, the text that it's going to display is going to be the cell reference. So it'll give it that tab name, and then it'll say where this cell reference is. So right now it wants to point to A1 in the same sheet. So if I switch over to pivot table birthdays, it's going to switch as well here. So you can make this custom and say helpful hyperlink. And like I said, I find it really helpful when you're making a table of contents for an Excel file or in other programs. It also gives you that hyperlink option. So Ctrl+K is going to be for any of your hyperlinks. So I hope you found this helpful, and feel free to subscribe for all the tricks on the other letters of the alphabet.